What's up, guys? Insanity staying. We're heading up to the Fab Shop again today. The bumper is not done, but today's video we are going to be putting the bumper on back on the car to kind of get some fitment situated, make sure everything's good, see what we have to trim out, maybe delete the upper grill, something like that. So that's gonna be how it's gonna start, and then we'll just roll from there. Doing this. So we have left the Fab Shop. We are back at the house now. So with the bumper, it kind of runs into a couple spots in the intercooler where we have the piping ran, and then so where the intercooler is, if you saw in the last video, I'll probably throw up a clip and show that right here, kind of give you a better idea. But the intercooler sits right behind the bumper guard, like the kind of crash bar up front. So with that being there, it kind of gets in the way of where the bumper sits. So we're gonna have to do a little bit of trimming around that. Very possible that I won't be keeping the upper grill. We'll have to see. The Fab Shop guy is going to shoot me a message sometime this week when he gets to that part. So I'll update you guys on that, and we will just go from there. See you guys here in just a minute. Alright guys, we just left the Fab Shop. I picked up a catch can earlier this week. It turns out it was actually the wrong one. Won't work for what we need. We need one that has 2 inlet valves, no outlet valves. The one I got has 1 inlet, 1 outlet. So that won't work for what we need it for. We did, I believe in the last video I talked about how we had to kind of modify the bumper a little bit to fit around the intercooler. That did get taken care of. Next step is we'll be installing the new catch can, which I have not picked up. This is the old one. So we got to put on new catch can and then run the oil lines, everything. Install the gauges, get a couple clamps, some T-bolt clamps for the coupler that connects to the throttle body, connects to intercooler piping and everything there. So other than that, the kit is basically done, and next video probably be next week. We're trying to figure out our schedule for those of you that are in Indy or around in Indy, that'll be attending some of our events. That if you do know about that, for those of you that don't, those of you that are new, I run a car club in Indiana, central Indianapolis, and we're working on getting our schedule set up for the 2024 season. So we'll be most likely be doing a podcast for the next video, possibly with a couple of my other buddies that are in the group with me, and kind of talk about the schedule and our plan for 2024. So stay tuned for that, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.